I've got something for you today, folks, that shows rust as a thing of beauty with its rich earthy tones. Now, when I say rich, I don't mean you have to be rich to get your hands on this gear. It's cost effective, easy to install, and looks great in the garden. The White's Oxy-Shield range is extensive and includes the garden edging, which goes in quite quickly and works for straight lines and curves due to its flexibility, and is ideal for lawns, garden beds and paths. They also do a range of these feature screen panels with these beautiful laser cut designs that are perfect for transforming a plain fence or wall, or just basically anywhere that you want to feature wall. There are a few new laser cut designs available: rainforest, galaxy spirals and leaves in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Installation is straightforward. Mark a level line and then measure the position of the screws to match the holes at the back of the frame. The frames hang much the same as a picture. Slide the panels carefully onto the screws, then check the level to ensure they all line up. A little bit of fine tuning with a block of timber and a hammer will ensure perfection. The rust effect occurs due to oxidization of a special coating on the surface of the metal. It won't rust all the way through. Now, that process happens over time and it gradually gets darker due to the elements. Now, if you want to speed that up, you can wipe the screens with a damp cloth or use the hose, get some water on there and see it transform right in front of your eyes, just like magic.